Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your name tag and level in Abyss Roblox. So if you guys start off playing, camping your spot, or just want to explore in the Abyss in total stealth, here I'm going to show you the exact settings to vanish from the HUD by hiding your name tag and level. So once you're in the game, you can just go to the settings by clicking on this gear icon in the top left corner. And then in here under the preferences, you can just scroll down until you found the name tag settings. So you can just toggle it off to hide the name tag above your character as well as the level that you've reached. So just click on this one until it turns red. And that's it. Now your level and name tag will be hidden. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.